All right, so the next thing I want to do is this. We're going to scroll down here and you'll see Divi, and then once you go to Theme Builder. So one of the cool things that Divi will allow you to do is actually, I have these two, is it'll allow you to make your own headers and your own footers. So just like when we made our own bodies, just like when we made our own theme, when we did our custom theme, you'll remember that it allowed us to create, we would make a header partial template and then a footer partial template, and then we had a body, right? And both of these would be added on. Well, this is basically the same thing, but we're just going to do it visually, which is really cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on Add Global Header. Click on that, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to build global header. We're not going to use a template or anything from a library. And it's going to start off, and it's going to ask us, how many rows and columns and things like that, because that's start obviously with that. All right, we're just going to go ahead and build from scratch. All right, and then let's do, and this is just for testing purposes. I would do like a much nicer job with this. You can also, not now, but you could also just use the defaults, and those are honestly probably good. But if you want to make your own custom header, I'm just showing you. So we're going to do two panels. Then it's going to ask, I'm just going to go ahead and do an image. And then from the lab materials, I'm just going to go here. And from the lab materials, we have this cone logo. I'm just going to grab that and upload that, and that will go up on the left here, which is pretty big. I'm really going to make that smaller. On the right, I'm going to click over here, and we're going to use, again, if you just scroll down, you'll see it, but it's alphabetical too, which helps. So actually we went to P. There's menu. You can also type it in. That's usually what I do, but we only have a main menu, so that'll be our menu. You can see it's actually built in with a logo. So really it makes more sense to not do it the way we did it, because this would actually be built into the thing that we want ourselves. But I want to show you that you can just, make your own stuff. And then you down here can kind of choose how you want it to look. Like you can change the background, like I said, the logo, the content we're just putting in there, and there's other design elements and things as well. I'm not going to really go through, but you can kind of look at the settings and what have you for that. So when you would go to do your own, you want to just make sure you do a nice job. Like there's even like the color of the icons and stuff. I'm going to hit to accept the settings. I'm actually going to go back to this one because it's bothering me. It's just way too big. So I'm going to go to the design. I'm going to go to sizing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do max width, and we're just going to pull that down. And we'll pull it down to, let's do 25%. 25. So that went to 25 pixels, even though it was on percentages, which is cool. It's cool that it did its own thing there. And there we go. Sometimes it can be hard to grab the thing. So we're just going to take that away and put a percent instead. And then we'll just click up here. There we go. And then we'll hit accept. Yay. All right. So I'm going to call that, good enough. It's obviously not the greatest, but we'll just say that that is acceptable, and that's what we wanted. I could make a much nicer header, but we're just going to go with that. I'll hit this little thing here. And then we're going to go ahead and save it. And then to get out of here, we're just going to hit the little X on the top right. And then that'll bring us back to our theme builder section.